So this is the back end of LeadPages. And as you can see here, there's lots of different templates to pick from, and they're all in different categories here, and you can also sort them by conversion rate, so the best converting templates are at the top. Now, when you first get started, you need to add your email service integration or your webinar, and you can see it supports lots of different services here. I've got Aweber integrated, which is my email provider of choice. And once you've done that, you can create your first lead page. Now, LeadPages does have lots of other functions like lead boxes and lead links, and I'm not really going to go into those because it's not relevant to the Facebook tutorial here. Creating your first lead page, you just simply pick which design you want, hit use this template, and then the template editor will appear. So instead of creating a new page, I'm just going to show you one of my existing lead pages, and you can get a good feel for just how easy it is to edit and create pages. So this is one of the ones I used in my campaign, and you know, it's really easy to change things. It's just a text editor. You can just change that to get your free copy. Clicking on that, you can change the words here. You can perhaps make it italic or underline it, change the color, etc., etc. Whatever you want to do, and it's all this very easy what you see is what you get interface, and you have lots of different options down the left side, so you can click through things like that. You can decide whether the privacy text is displayed, or if you want to change the background, you can go through your images or upload a new image there. It really is that easy. Once you've finished configuring your page, you just hit save and then publish. And straight away you can start using it. But what I like to do is set up a split test. So to do that in LeadPages is really easy. All you do is click up here and click on add new variation. Then you can choose to add a new variation based on your original page, which is what we see in the background here, or we can go and use a completely different template entirely. So I've done that, and you can see I already have some variations here. So here's the original. We have variation 1 here, which is just a different background image, and variation 2 here. So what LeadPages automatically does is anytime someone views this, they see one of these at random, and it measures which one of these designs converts better, and I will show you that in a moment. But once your lead page is set up and you have got alternative lead pages in here, you just need to hit publish. Now, you've got a couple of different options here. You can either just have LeadPage host the pages directly here, or you can install the LeadPages WordPress plugin and have it appear as a page on your WordPress page, or you can have it actually appear as a tab on your Facebook page. So let's just take a look at those quickly. So we can see up here that this is the LeadPages hosted page. You can also install the WordPress plugin here, which allows you to actually publish it under your own URL, and you can decide what that URL is. Or you can actually publish as a tab on your Facebook page. So if we look here, and this is live, you can go and check this out for yourself. You can see this lead page that I created for Facebook, which invites people to become a fan, and if they hit download now, there's an email opt-in form right there on my Facebook page and tab. So LeadPages makes it really easy to publish your page anywhere you want, and on top of that, regardless of whether you use a LeadPages hosted one, the WordPress hosted one, or the Facebook hosted one, it will actually go through and split test those based on what you actually set up in LeadPages. So any changes that you make to your design or the split test, you can add and remove variations here. As soon as you hit save and publish, all of those will be updated for you, whether it's on your blog, your Facebook page, and so on. So last but not least, we want to take a look at how our lead page and split test is performing. So we can just click on analytics here. And down here is a table that you really want to look at. We can see exactly which one is converting at which percentage. And right now I can see that the original version is converting the best at 38%, and this version is converting the worst at 33%. So what we could actually do is say, okay, well, in that case, I want you to show 75% of the visitors the best converting page, and the other 25% of the traffic distribute between these two to carry on testing. Or you could choose to just delete this variation because it's not performing very well and add some other variations back in with the editor itself. So that is LeadPages, and I hope you can see why it is so easy to work with, and I've been using it a lot more across lots of different campaigns recently. So there you have it. That's how to create a high converting split tested lead page.